Oh, man. There sure are a lot of kids at the school's open house. I didn't even know our school had so many kids. Oh, look, there's Steven. Oh, and he's with his mom. I heard she hits him, like abuses him. But, well, she looks just like a regular mom to me. Oh, no, here comes Steven. Oh, I hope he doesn't bring his mom. She kind of scares me. Well, hey, Steven, where'd your mom go?
Hey, Nom, yeah, she's right over there. Hey, let's go sit with her.
Oh, your mom is, like, really, really here?
Yeah, Nom, I said she's right over there, see?
Well, she looks just like a regular mom to me. I mean, she was talking to you, and she was even holding your hand.
Yeah, she is my mother, Nom.
Oh, well, am I ever glad that stuff's not true? I hate whenever people say things and then start spreading it around.
What are you talking about?
Well, I guess it's okay to tell you, especially because it's not true.
What's not true?
Just some stuff about your mom, hitting you, abusing you.
Well, yeah, Nom, my mom really has hit me really hard, but she's trying to stop now.
You're making that up. I mean, look at her. She looks just like a regular mom who lives in a regular house on a regular street. My street.
Yeah, Nom, sometimes regular moms and regular dads hurt their kids.
That's awful. That's the most terrible thing I've ever heard. You shouldn't tell anybody anything like that, Steven.
Well, that's what I thought at first too, but telling was the best thing I ever did.
What?
Well, I know sometimes kids do things to get themselves in trouble, and I know parents will do things like ground their kids or take away privileges. You know that one time that Jimmy painted his shoes?
Oh, yeah. Oh, what a mess.
Yeah, I know. And he said his dad really gave it to him for it?
Yeah, he said his dad really, gave it to him for that one.
For sure, yeah, I know. So I asked him, I say, hey, Jimmy, did your dad push you against the wall and hit you with his fist really hard over and over again?
What did he say?
He said his dad grounded him for 2 whole weeks, and he had to pay for his own shoes out of his allowance, and he even had to do extra chores around the house. And he said that was enough to teach him never to paint his shoes again.
Okay, but what does that have to do with you?
A whole lot. See, that's when I saw the difference. I would get hit really hard for not really even doing anything wrong. Or maybe I'd do something that wasn't a big deal, like spilling my drink or something. I would even get hit so hard that I would have to go to the hospital. That's when I knew I needed help and needed to tell.
Did you get help? I mean, who did you tell?
Mrs. Johnson.
You told the teacher? Wow.
Yeah, I talked to her after class one day.
You must really like her.
Yeah, she's okay. Anyway, she always seems like she wants to help the kids in her class, so I figured I could go talk to her.
Even after you lied to her?
Oh, you mean the stories I would make up when Mrs. Johnson or the other kids in class would ask me how I got these scars and cuts and bruises and stuff?
Yeah, like the time that you cut your face.
Yeah, well, I was just tired of everyone asking me all the time, so I just said I fell down the stairs. But really, my mom gave them to me.
Well, what happened after you told Mrs. Johnson what was really happening?
Well, she was really nice, and she wasn't mad that I lied before, and she even said that sometimes moms and dads hurt their kids too.
Man, well, I bet you felt awful for telling on your mom, though, didn't you?
Well, at first a little, yeah, but I felt a lot better after I told Mrs. Johnson, because she talked to our counselor, and they talked to social services.
Wait, who?
Social services. They have people there called social workers. And then one day, a real nice social worker named Maureen came to my house, talked to my mom and my dad and my sister and me.
Oh, and then they put your mom in jail, right?
No, my mom didn't have to go to jail, Nom. No, after talking to Maureen, they decided that our whole family can get help at the Parent-Child Center of Tulsa. So now we all go to family therapy. And my mom goes to Parents Anonymous meetings.
But, well, what's Parents Anonymous? And, well, why did your mom hit you in the first place? And, well, where was your dad when all this was going on, too?
You're asking me a lot of questions here, Nam, but I gotta get home. I got some really important homework to do, okay? So I'll talk to you later, okay?
Oh, okay, well, I'll just call you later. Bye.
Okay, bye.